So the other day, my northwest facing security cam stopped working. I came out and I found that some critter had eaten this lower trough. The cable was run inside that trough, as you can see how it runs there, and they had eaten the trough. There's the pieces of it, and also eaten the cable. So what I've done is I've just put ends on the cable, cut off the bad section, put ends on the cable. I don't want to use a whole new cable. This is a long run, and I've got this joiner box here, and I'm just going to put electrical tape over it from there to there. And this isn't really waterproof, but it should work. It's power over Ethernet, and I just checked my camera, and it's working now. So hopefully this will be the fix. You can see the two ends there are on it, and it just goes into that box. So we'll give it a shot. Just wrapped it in some electrical tape. See how this does.